guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my vlog on my trip to England. I'm trying to increase my brightness. But yeah, so I'm currently on the way to the airport. My brother is dropping me. Say hi. So yeah, we're on the way to the airport, and yeah, my flight is in about 2 hours, so I just need to check in and do all that. And yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get to the airport.
Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Don't you know I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you were fools gold. Yes, I did.
Got off the train, and right now I'm heading to my friend's place. I'm in an Uber. I'm so tired. I couldn't get any sleep on the flight. I don't know why. I was just so like restless. But anyways, because I'm almost at her place, so I can just relax. But yeah, I had the most annoying Uber driver first. I called him and I'm telling this man, like, I don't know where you are exactly. Like, can you turn and come to where I'm at? And he's like, oh, I'm trying to call you. I'm like, yes, you can't reach me because my phone, like, my number is a Canadian number, right? So obviously it's not gonna work. And he's like, then put on your phone. I'm like, oh, God. So annoying. Anyways, I canceled that trip and called another Uber. But yeah, so I'm almost there. Thank God, I'm so tired. Hi guys, so I'm finally at my
guys.
What's wrong with you?
Hi guys.
Hey guys, so I'm finally at my friend's place after this long ass journey. I took a really long nap, much needed, because I basically didn't sleep on the plane. But yeah, we just got ready. I'm going for dinner. We're going for dinner, and here's what I'm wearing.
Okay.
Super casual bodysuits and just a pair of jeans. But yeah, so what else? What do I have to catch up on? I mean, catch you guys up on? I don't even know. But anyways, we're going for dinner.
Are you enjoying London?
Well, yeah, I'm enjoying London so far. I mean, it's still so surreal to me that I'm even here, because I haven't been here in so long, and I used to always come here like every other summer. But yeah, I'm super excited. It's a little chilly, but you know, I'm from Canada, so I'm gonna be alright. So yeah. Anyways, you guys, so we're just heading out right now to go to the restaurant, and then of course I'll take you guys with me, and yeah. Yes, boo. I put it each other's shoe.
My rusty feet.
Ashy feet. Guys, meet Tammy. Say hi, babe.
I done my hair though.
Okay, sorry. But yeah, we're trying to get ready and we can't bend down to do our shoes, so we're doing each other's shoes. Anyways. Guys, so we're at Sumo San Twiga, and of course they're doing some Halloween stuffs. Baby girl. But yeah guys, so we're going to get eat now. I may not be able to vlog while I'm eating, but I'll include some of my snaps that I take. Alright. Morning guys, so it's a brand new day. I'm so tired. So I woke up this morning super early by like 8 a.m. in the morning. I was actually surprised because I went to bed around like 2 a.m. ish. So I woke up really early and my friend had classes, so she went for her classes and I was just chilling because I knew that if I had left I wouldn't be able to come back into like her dorm. So yeah, anyways, so I stayed in bed and then my mom said I should come and meet her. My mom's in England, by the way, so I'm going to go meet my mom right now. I just got ready. I don't really have a lot of makeup. Well, I have like no makeup on my skin. Just I did my eyebrows and mascara and I put on some lip gloss. But yeah, so I'm going to go and meet up with my mom and then we'll probably go to the mall and do some shopping or looking around. I don't know, but yeah, and I'm going to go and eat as well because my mom made some food. So yeah, anyways, so I'm gonna head out now. I'm going to the train station, catch a train, and yeah, so stay tuned guys. So I just got to my uncle's house. I don't usually vlog while I'm on the subway just because I kind of have to be alert just so I don't miss my stop and get lost or anything like that. So I usually try to just pay attention. But yeah, I'm finally here. It wasn't too far. It was about like 30 minutes, so that's not too bad. But yeah, my mom is here, of course. She's actually getting ready. We're going to the mall, I think, and she just hooked me up with some food. I'll show you. So she made some white rice and sauce. So I already ate half of it because I'm so hungry, and I got Malta Guinness. If you're a fan of Malta Guinness, give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, you guys, when I tell you that my uncle is like super proud of his roots, like you can't not tell that he's African type of thing. Let me just show you his living room so you can obviously see this huge mirror, right? Great. Now, please just look at this. Like, it's an actual museum. It's actually crazy. There's like stuff everywhere. There's that. There's paintings. There's freaking animal skulls and I don't even know. There's this. There's this. Like, oh my goodness gracious. All this like ornaments and stuff everywhere. I don't even know if I'll be able to sleep. Yeah, anyways, so I'm just going to eat my food and then we're gonna start heading out soon. Good morning everyone. So I feel like this vlog is so this lighting.
Afternoon.
I feel like this vlog is so choppy. I'm so sorry, but it's a new day. And it's currently 1:50 and we're about to head to the city to just look around and do some shopping. And why?
Kidding,
guys. So hi. I can't wait just because I love shopping in London. You always find good stuff. But yeah, anyway, so we're heading to the city now. I'll take you guys along with me. And yeah, so I'll see you guys. We're just going to the bus stop right now and then we'll head out. Thank you. This Topshop has like 5 floors. How mad is that? So now we're in the clothes section. I'm so excited, you guys. If you don't already know, I love Topshop. Looking like Michael Jackson. Isn't this cute? It's reminding me of like Gucci. £25, not bad. So we came to get McDonald's. What'd you get? Fries and a wrap. And I always get Happy Meal, guys. If you didn't know it now. So it comes with fries and grilled chicken wrap. In Canada, our Happy Meal doesn't have wrap. It's only like hamburger or like nuggets and stuff. There's no wrap. There's no wrap option in Canada. In Canada. Really? I've never seen. And then I got the Tropicana as well. So I'm getting spaghetti bolognese. Timmy's getting. Ooh, that's mine. My food, I got spaghetti bolognese, like I told you guys. Then we got stevia, this garlic chicken. I got some bread on the side. Excited! Oh my gosh! Why is this one just standing like one lost puppy? Guys, we're going home now. Finally, I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. Goodbye, Oxford Street. Off to the subway. With my long-time friend of like what, 8 years, 9 years, I don't know, but say hi to Kamara. Hi guys. I'm so excited. So we're having brunch. I hope you guys can hear me. I feel like you can hear me. We're having brunch and I just got a Caesar salad and something else that's coming later on, and then her food is coming. But say a few things to my YouTube fam. Let out, guys. I know. Anyways, you guys, so we're just gonna eat and catch up and yeah. See you guys later. So this is what I got. Pasta. And this is what Cam's got. Yum. So excited. Thank you. Alright. Why is my man not here? So fridges. How pretty is this? This Chanel. How many floors does this thing have? Like 7? 5? Fourth floor is the food hall. Good morning. So it is a brand new day. So it's a brand new day today. I am with my mom and ooh, this lighting is good. I'm with my mom and my sister, so you guys will meet them very soon. We actually just stepped out right now to head out to Oxford Circus again, just to do a bit of shopping before we head to Paris. We're going to Paris this weekend, so we just wanted to get a few things before we go. And yeah, so we're heading out now. I came to pick up my mom's Oyster card. But yeah, you guys, so you guys are going to meet my sister and all that. We currently in a hotel. I left my friend's place, obviously. So currently in a hotel at the Hilton, and I'll give you guys a little room tour when we come back. But I gotta go right now because we're kind of in a hurry. But yeah. Hi, ladies. How are you?
Hi.
So you guys know my mom, of course. Say hi, mom.
Hi.
Hi.
Mouthful.
Vivian. Hi. Have you guys met Vivian on my vlog before? I don't think so.
Yes, they have.
They have? When?
I don't know.
I don't think so. Well, Vivian, say hi.
Hi,
this is
guys.
Vivian, my older sister. No, we're not twins. I mean, we look alike, but we're not twins. But yeah. OOTD. These three girls are united. Hey. Hey. He's feeling it though. Hey guys, so we're currently at Wagamama and we just placed our order to get some. Mommy's here. Vivian's here. And like I said, we're at Wagamama. So yeah, we're just waiting for the food to come and then yeah. We can. Here's my food. My food looks so good.
To support you, to uphold you, to truly be your leader, to truly be your validation, to truly lift you up in your weak times. And today I want to say thank you. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for your obedience to God. Thank you for loving my every flaw. And thank you for making room for me. Thank you for helping me to see the strength and grace in my womanhood. Today I vow to serve you in every season. You have always been and will be my favorite.